good.
Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to come back with this video. Why am I talking with my hands so much? I have a huge ass haul. Shopping is like one of my most favorite things to do ever. So I'm just really excited to show you everything that I've purchased these past like 2 or 3 weeks. And it is a lot. So prepare yourselves, get a snack, take a chill pill, and let's get started because we got a lot of new shit. Just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe because hello, it's free and it really helps me out. Also, if you want to see how to get this look, it should be up either before this video or it's going to be up after this video. I'm not sure yet. I will let you know if it's up. I'll leave a link down below. Yes, let's get started and let's jump into everything that I've purchased these past 2 weeks. So much. Oh my god, Dad, just shut off the video if you're watching. You don't want to know. You do not want to know. Let me tell you everything that I bought. Most likely I got a discount, so whoop whoop, yeah for that. The first thing that's right in front of me from KYLIE Cosmetics. A lot of these products I've already used, so I can kind of give you like a first impressions of it and like my thoughts. So I purchased from KYLIE Cosmetics. I got an email saying that she was giving these bags with any purchase on KYLIE Cosmetics. Emerald KYLIE bag, and I believe they don't have it in stock anymore, unfortunately. This was for the Christmas collection. The KYLIE skin concealer, and I got it in the shade Stone. Super sleek, super nice. And the KYLIE Cosmetics concealer is $20. Has a doe applicator, and this is how it looks. It's flat on both sides. Pink undertoned concealer, and I actually really love more cooler concealers under the eye. I like my under eye to be a little bit more pink versus a little bit more yellow. The next thing I got that I do have on today as well is the lipstick, and I love this lipstick. This literally made me fall in love with lipsticks all over again because I haven't used a lipstick in forever. I've just been into like liners and like glosses for some reason, and like liquid lipsticks. I got one of her lipsticks in the shade Angel Cake. It's silver, a nice little bullet. It has Kylie Jenner. It's just like a classic nude. It's really pretty, and it also has Kylie's name engraved in it. The last lip product that I got from KYLIE Cosmetics was the lip kit in the shade Dirty Peach. The color looks, it's just literally like a dirty peach, and then it comes with a lip liner, which I think is really cool. See, that's orange. Peach. It's really like a dirty peach. I'm really excited to use this. This is how the packaging looks. This is not how the packaging was before, but I think it's a permanent product now, and this is the original wet set, and I know that everybody loved it, so I'm excited. And I actually didn't like use it yet, and it came like all kind of like dirty on the side, so it must be like a dirty product. So they're very wet and metallic-y. I keep like gashing my finger in it. See? Oh, I'm in love with this. Okay, and then the last product that I got from KYLIE Cosmetics is the Blue Honey palette, of course. I love all of her 9-pan eyeshadow palettes. I think they're formulated so amazing. And this one is not going to be any less amazing than the other one. Hello, lover. So dope. I went to Ulta. Who doesn't love going to Ulta? It's like in a candy store. Ulta, I actually already used this in the video that I did to recreate this makeup, but I bought the Real Techniques Complexion Prep the Prep Complexion Blender Brush for no makeup. See that? It comes, this is meant to put your foundation on the bigger portion, and then your moisturizer in the middle, and then for you to just like blend out your makeup and like mix the moisturizer and the foundation. Okay, so the next thing that I got was the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. I really enjoyed using this primer. I've used it once, obviously in the video that I filmed with this, so I do have it on today, and I really love it. It's something super different that actually I feel like nobody else really has. So it's the Honey Do Me Up primer. Basically what it is, it's like a serum and a primer in one, and it's supposed to give you like collagen boosting properties and reduce redness and even out the complexion like during time. And it's also a jelly consistency, so it's going to hydrate the skin and smooth the skin. And it's a primer, so which is super cool. It's a primer and a serum in one, like I said, and I really like it. It also has gold flakes in it, which is super cool. And yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed using this. It was literally like a honey texture. Like, look at it. Like, look, it's like honey. Like, I love that. I think that they did a really great job of like the name, the coloring on it being like kind of like the color of honey, and then it like being the consistency of honey, and then having the spatula. I think it's really cool. Like, not a lot of products do this. Please use a coupon. I know Ulta has the $3.50 off when you spend $15, so make sure that if you buy this to use a coupon so that you can save some money. Okay, and then the last things that I got in Ulta were the Dose of Colors. So this is the Ideal Duo Loose Pigment and Primer in one, and I got lucky because they were on sale. They're usually $30, but I got these for 15 bucks, which I'm like, oh. Like, if you can see here, you open the cap, it comes with a primer, pretty sticky. Hello lover. Usually I always get the silver and the gold. I don't really know why, I just always do. So I got Lucky Star, which is the gold of that same one. It comes with a yellow base. And this is the Disco. It comes with a more vanilla creamy white base. I don't want to wipe these off. I made a trip to Boston and we ended up like going shopping like every day. So when we went into one of their TJ Maxx, they had a whole bunch of makeup. I ended up getting the Too Faced Royal Oil Coconut Body Bronzer. I haven't seen this like ever, so I don't think that they make this anymore, or maybe it could only be like on their site. But this is a Too Faced Royal Oil Body Oil Bronzer. Coconut smells. It smells like very tropical, coconutty, like yummy goodness. And I just thought that this would be really pretty, like put on here, like on the chest when I get like a nice tan, because it's reaching summer and I plan on getting a tan. Ended up getting the Anastasia liquid lipstick. Hello, it was $6.99. I didn't have this shade. This one's in the shade Seraphine. So freaking pretty. Pretty. I ended up ordering this on Amazon. This is the Lioeli Cosmetic Triple the Solution BB Cream. It's supposed to be a whitening and wrinkle cream, SPF of 30. What I think it means is like lightening up the darker spots. That's what I am taking it as, because I don't want to whiten my skin. I think it's just supposed to help like lighten up the dark spots and stuff, which I'm down with. Product, I was introduced to it actually years ago, and I know Shan XO always used to use this, and she actually used to use it before her makeup. Well, she used to do her moisturizer, her primer, prep her skin, and then put this on, and then she would put her foundation and then everything else on top. So this used to be like kind of like a lighter foundation, and it used to conceal like everything. And she actually had this one. She had one in purple, she had one in green, and like me and my mom always like loved it, and my mom was always like, get that one, order it. But before, I never really could find it as easily, and now that it's on Amazon, I found it. And I don't know if this one is the exact one, but I know that she uses a similar product to this, so I ended up picking it up. I used it today and I really loved how it went on. It was really like lightweight, but still had coverage to it. I think that they just have like one shade of this, which is kind of like a bummer. I just plan on using this like when I feel like I want extra coverage and I want to be fancy. So this is what I got, and this was only $18 on Amazon. Next thing is I made an order on smashbox.com, and I know that they actually sell these in Ulta, which is super cool. The products that I purchased were the new I guess they're doing a collaboration with Nicole Concilio, and welcome to the video. Hey girl. So congratulations on doing these products. This is so freaking cool. The original primer water that they have. So they're doing 3 new shade scents. So they came with 3 different scents. And the 2 that I picked up were the Centering Citrus and the So Chill Coconut. And I'm going to open them so that you can see the packaging. And I know the other one is like a cucumber one, but I don't like cucumber, and I did smell it at the store to see if I should order it. And honestly, I just feel like I'm spraying vegetables on my face. This is supposed to be a hydrating 3-in-1 primer prep, sets and refreshes your makeup and your mood with Centering Citrus, and they are silicone, alcohol and oil free. Use as a primer or use as a setting spray or use to just refresh. How it looks, this one is the Centering Citrus and it smells like lemon. It like is a mix between the actual primer water smell, the original one, and lemon added to it. And the way that I found out, and I found out by using it today actually how to use it, because how I usually spray these is I'll like do it fast, like with my finger, like do, and no, this one you cannot. You see how it makes that noise, and then it kind of like spritz out the water? Not good. So what you have to do is you have to just press, like press all the way down, press all the way down. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Palm trees on it, like I live in Florida. I love palm trees. I'm just gonna spray it too, because why the hell not? Like, it's so freaking beautiful. God, I love this one. Next, I picked up 3 products in Sephora. First product that I got, which I only got online, I don't think they have it in stores yet, is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask Hydrate. Hello, I was traveling and I was just in like a traveling mood. You can use it on cleansed, dry skin. And it can be used under and over the eye area. You can leave for 10 minutes for maximum coverage, and then you just blot with like a warm cloth or a tissue. You don't have to rinse it off, which is really cool. Just look them up online. This is how the product looks. It's super freaking cute. But once they have it in the store, which I'm pretty sure that they will, just go and grab a sample of it and see if you like it. It's like a white kind of cream, and you know what I like is that it's not thick. Like when you take it out and you put it on, it like almost disappears, which is really cool. And it's not like a really thick mask. It just feels like a moisturizer, but it's a mask. And it's supposed to drench your complexion in radiance boosting moisture, melts into the skin so it can work its magic. I'm just reading the box. It's formulated with chestnut extract and vitamin C, which vitamin C helps to brighten the skin, to stimulate exfoliation and brighten the skin surface for a spa grade glow. And then it's supposed to simmer down. Skin restoring shea butter combined with vitamin E and cucumber extract to balance burnt out complexion. So this is basically just supposed to brighten the skin, nourish the skin, calm the skin down, add hydration. So I'm really excited about it. And also I saw one of the owners, co-founders of the brand, use this like before makeup and then apply her makeup after. So I think that's super cool. This is a really versatile product and I can't wait to use it in an upcoming video. And so the next product that I got was the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. This is actually $12, which I feel like is pretty affordable for a Tatcha brand, but remember that you can only use this once, so it's $12 that you're gonna kind of like throw away after you use it, you know what I mean? For normal to dry skin, I have oily skin, but I love to use products that are for dry skin. Leaves the skin velvety, smooth, dewy, which I love that word, and luminous. That is what I got, and I'm really excited to use this face mask, but I gotta use it like one day when I'm literally like doing a spa for myself. So the last thing that I ended up getting in Sephora was obviously the Soft Glam palette. I definitely had to get it. I have all her other palettes, so how can I pass up this one? Who doesn't freaking love an eyeshadow palette as beautiful as this. Tell me who. With everything. It comes with your neutrals, your highlight shades, your shimmery pinky and rose gold shades for the lid, and it comes with a dark brown and a dark black. Like, what more can you freaking ask for? Place an order on Morphe. I love Morphe. Eyelid primer, which I did use today and I actually really like it. It's kind of like a basic like eyelid primer. It's supposed to be 12-hour wear on the eye. It's translucent. The next thing that I got was the Babe in Paradise highlighter palette and fan brush by Morphe and Bretman Rock. Comes with this fan brush, a really beautiful like highlighting fan brush. Palette looks like this. I love it because it's very thin and very sleek. I just feel like I'm swimming with like Ariel, and this is what the palette looks like. Super cute. Last thing I got from Morphe was the 24G palette, because who can pass up on this? I don't know who. And the eyeshadow pans are freaking huge. They're this big. Pans are really, really big and I really love them. And I don't have to swatch them because you'll see in the video how they perform. And they perform really good, like you could tell. The next place that I have some things from is from MAC. Of course, this wouldn't be a haul if I didn't have MAC products. This one is iridescent white and literally is like my nails. Like holographic, yummy goodness. It's really cute, like iridescent, unicorny kind of holographic lip gloss. It's the Dazzle Glass. They have a whole new range of Dazzle Glass shades. So the color that I have is Gopher Gold. That's how that shade looks. It's just kind of bronzy and has some sparkle in it. And then I got an eyeshadow. I have an eyeshadow and it's called It's About Time. It's also part of their Dazzle shadows. The last product that I have from MAC is the Hyper Real Glow. I do have this in the gold shade. They have two different shades for this palette. This one is the Flash and Awe Hyper Real Glow palette. This one's the more pinky one. Actually, like, I'm kind of annoyed that I have so many eyeshadow palettes because like I never use all of them. Next place that I did an order from was Give Me Glow Cosmetics, and I actually saw this on Trend Mood, and this is a highlighter in the shade Halo. This is supposed to be like a halo kind of iridescent highlight. It's like a yellow, goldish, and white. And then it makes like a bluish kind of in it. So it's like a white, gold, and like the white and gold make like a blue. I love it. I think it's really different. The last place that I went to was Kiehl's. Oh, I got the Crème de Corpse. So I ended up getting this lotion and I'm really excited to try it. And then right next to it, which I wasn't planning on getting this, but I was like, why the hell not? I had heard so much about like these kind of products. This one is also from the same line. It's the Crème de Corpse Nourishing Dry Body Oil. So freaking cool, right? So I guess it's supposed to be a lightweight oil that's supposed to nourish the skin. You can use it on your body, but it's not going to leave like oily and like a residue of the oil kind of feeling on the skin. It's just supposed to be like a dry oil. Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed everything that I showed you that I got. I know I got a shit ton of stuff and this video is probably hella long, but that's alright. I know you guys who stay till the end are my true ride or dies. So please do not forget to subscribe. And I hope that you really enjoyed the video. I hope that you have an amazing day or night or morning whenever you are watching this video. Adios.